Welcome to another OBS ERP training session. Do you have a large number of sales invoices that you want to import into the system all at once, saving both time and effort? It's simple. Just follow these steps. First, access the Sales Invoice Import screen. From the main menu, select Sales, then choose Invoice Import. At the top of the screen, you'll see the import workflow, which guides you through each step of the process. The workflow begins with downloading the template, followed by filling in the required data, uploading the file, validating the data, previewing the records, executing the import, and finally displaying a confirmation message indicating that the import has been completed successfully. Let's go through a practical example. Step 1. Download the template. Step 2. Open the template and fill in the required data. While filling out the template, please note the following. There are several mandatory fields that must be completed. The first is the invoice date, which represents the date of the sales invoice. The invoice number is extremely important. It allows the system to identify which rows or items belong to the same invoice by linking the invoice number with the book invoice. For both the book and invoice type columns, you can use either the code, recommended, or the name. For the customer or site, you may use either the customer code only or the customer name. Likewise, for the item, you can use either the item code only or the item name. Other required fields include the quantity, unit price, and discount amount, if applicable. Once you have completed the template, save the file, then upload it by clicking the Upload File button. After the file is uploaded, the system automatically validates the data and checks for any missing or invalid information. If any errors are found, the system will display a detailed list of validation errors at the bottom of the screen, allowing you to correct them before proceeding. Once all data has been successfully validated, the final step is simply to click Import Data to complete the sales invoice import process. We hope this tutorial has helped you understand how to import sales invoices in OBS ERP. Follow our training series to discover more powerful features of the system. Thank you, and see you next time.